So the battery was stone dead, so I went and got us a battery. Sprayed a little brake clean down the carb and cranked it, and it lit. So now I'm gonna try to fill the fuel bowl so I can get it going long enough to hopefully prime fuel into the carb. I've cranked it for a while now. I don't want to kill the battery or the starter. So we're gonna prime it and see what we got. All right, I have filled our fuel bowl. Let's see what we got. Well, she was running. Let's check and see if we've got fuel from the pump. All right. Like a dream! Like a dream! Alright, she runs pretty nice. Check, make sure all the glass works. That's two. Come on, baby. There we go. Well, glass works. Wing window works. Spotlight works. Wow. Let's see if the radio works.
Make the queen of bees hot as brandy.
Radio works. The clock does not work. All our gauges work. Everything seems to be in order. Heater does not seem to work. The frost does. That's promising. Lights. Ah, look at that. I'll check those. Lighter. It looks like that obviously doesn't work. Alright, let's turn that off. Alright, let's go check on these lights real fast. Ugh, the car does need a bath. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. She runs great. We got lights. We got lights. It's a beauty. So in moving the car outside, I noticed the power steering was a bit low, so I'm going to add to that. But otherwise, smooth as silk, baby. Awesome. All right, we've been sitting for about 10-15 minutes. Let's check out hot start. Very nice. All in all, very nice car. One thing of note, the horn does not work. So after filling the power steering, it's still a little noisy. But we gotta work the air out of it, so. Alright, out for a drive. Let's test it. And the power steering has shut up a little bit. It's starting to get that air out. And I bumped the horn a second ago and it worked. There it goes. Perfect. So we have working horn. Brakes are the usual touchy 40s brakes, but they work really well. The blinkers seem to be working. This is a fine driving car. It stops, it goes. It shifts nice. Turn signal even cancels. I like it. Give this baby a bath. Get her ready to go to her new home.